In this video, I will show you how to create a simple paper border effect in DaVinci Resolve. Please note, Magic Mask is only available in DaVinci Resolve Studio. Let us get started. On the Edit page, select your clip, then hold Option on Mac or Alt on Windows and drag it up to duplicate it on the track above. Select the top clip and open the Fusion page. You should see Media In connected to Media Out. Click the Media In node, then press Shift and Space. Search for Magic Mask and add it. Make sure Media In goes into Magic Mask and Magic Mask goes into Media Out. Move your playhead to the start of the clip. In the viewer, set the stroke mode to Add, then draw a quick stroke over your subject. In the inspector, set the mode to Better, and if Refine Range is available, set it to around 50. When the mask looks good, press the Track Forward button in the inspector to let Resolve follow your subject through the clip. Once the tracking is done, go back to the Edit page. Select the top clip again. Open the Effects panel, search for Paper Edge, and drag it onto the top clip. In the inspector, adjust the Paper Edge settings until you like the look of the border. That is all you need to create a clean paper border effect in DaVinci Resolve Studio.